Hi, my name's Jenny Slater. Basically when I came on this course, the main reason I came on this course was I'm running a seminar in September and it's the first seminar I'm ever going to run. So one, I wanted to learn or acquire the skill to learn to sell from the stage. So Harry was able to break that down for us effectively today, the do's and don'ts of how to sell from stage. And basically just effectively all the psychology around the actual selling process. So, and another thing that I got from this weekend is how to, one, be comfortable and find my voice, my stage voice, and how to feel a little more at ease on stage. Public speaking, I'm still very, very nervous about public speaking, but over this weekend I felt a lot more relaxed, so I think I've grown quite a lot over this weekend. So it's been an absolute joy, a pleasure, and I've thoroughly recommended it. I've had an absolutely amazing time. So thank you very much, Harry. Well done.